1, 2, 3, 4. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I just played We Wish You a Merry Christmas, another easy song on the ukulele using 3 chords or less. Now it's your turn. The chords are C, F, and G. If these are new to you, watch my fun videos on how to play these chords. Or if your ukulele is out of tune, click here and we'll fine-tune it together.
Okay.
This is the note that we're going to start singing on. Pluck the first string, which is the one closest to the floor, while playing a C chord. We wish. And strum however and whenever you want. Just focus on getting the chords right at the right time. Okay, let's try this. Get the C chord ready. 1, 2, 3. We wish you a merry. Go up to the F chord. Christmas. We G. Wish you a merry Christmas. We back to C. Wish you a merry F Christmas and a happy G. New C. Year. Let's try it again. We wish you a merry Christmas. We wish you a merry Christmas. We wish you a merry Christmas and a happy New Year. So that'd be a good transition to practice, is the G-C, since you have to go pretty quickly from G to C. But if you're playing them using the fingering I recommend in my videos, then your ring finger just slides down one string in the same row from G to C, and you can transition really fast. You're ready to try this one on your own. Print off the song PDF to add it to your repertoire book. Give the gift of music this Christmas. Learn this Christmas song and then sing it with your family and your friends. Everyone loves singing along to songs that they already know. They will love you and you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and your uke.